business structure for their business. And if they do need that business structure, how do they go about choosing the right structure? In this video, we will be talking about the different business structures that you can apply to your business. Let's jump right in. This is Business Media TV. My name is Mimi, the Business Advisor. On this channel, we advise business owners on how to start, grow, and sustain their business. If you're new to this channel, we'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel so you can get more information. Let's just jump straight into today's video. How to choose a business structure. There are different types of options when it comes to choosing a business structure, so we're just going to go through most of the more common options. Sole proprietorship. It involves one person. It is easy to form and it gives you complete control over your business. It is automatic if you do not have any other business entity registered. They will just automatically assume that you are a sole proprietorship. The issue with the sole proprietorship is that you have unlimited personal liability. So if someone was to sue you, they can sue you not only for your business, they can sue you for your personal assets like your house or your car or anything like that. And as far as taxes are concerned, sole proprietorship is taxed on a personal tax only. A partnership involves one or more people. They are the simplest structures to form when you have two or more people going into businesses together. There are two common types of partnerships. These are the limited partnership and the limited liability partnership. The limited partnership has one partner with unlimited liability while the other partners have limited liability. On the other hand, limited liability partnerships give limited liability to all partners. As far as liability is concerned, it is unlimited personal liability, except in a situation where it is structured as a limited partnership. As far as taxes are concerned, it is self-employment taxes, except for limited partners. So basically, they will be taxed on self-employment and sometimes personal taxes too. Limited liability companies or LLCs are for one or more people. It combines both the benefits of a corporation and a partnership structure. Limited liability companies or LLCs protect your personal belongings or assets in the event the business gets sued. So you are separate as far as the law is concerned from your business. So if the business goes into bankruptcy, they cannot come after your personal asset. Owners of limited liability companies are not personally liable. As far as taxes are concerned, it can be personal tax, corporate tax, or self-employment tax. If you've been getting value so far from this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, like and comment to tell us what has been valuable to you so far. Now we'll go into the next section where we'll be talking about corporations. A C Corp is also for one or more people. It is a legal entity that is separate from the owners of the company. Corporations can make profit, they can be taxed, and also sued. That means they can be held legally liable. A corporation offers the strongest protection for its owners against liability. They also require more extensive bookkeeping, operational processes, and reporting. As far as liability is concerned, the owners are not personally liable, and for taxes, they are taxed at the corporate tax level. The S Corp. For the S Corp, you can have more than one person up to a maximum of 100 people. The requirements are that all the members must be US citizens. So the main benefit of an S Corp is to avoid the double tax situations that you find in regular corporations. That's the C Corp. It allows profits or losses to be passed on to the personal taxes of the owners without being subject to corporate tax rates. As with most of the other corporations, the owners are not personally liable and the taxes are taxed on a personal tax basis. The B Corp is also for one or more people, so B Corp stands for Benefit Corporation. B Corps are different from C Corps when it comes to purpose, accountability, and transparency. There is no difference in the way they are taxed. The owners are not personally liable and the business is taxed at the corporate tax level. Non-profit corporation, 501c. This pertains to one or more people. 501c3 references the part of the tax code on the IRS site that specifically grants this type of corporations the tax exempt status. Most non-profit organizations are organized to do charity work, to carry out education, for religious services, for literary work, or for scientific work. So because of these benefits that they offer to the society, they can receive tax exempt status. The owners are not personally liable, and as discussed before, as far as taxes, they are tax exempt. Now, special rules apply when it comes to profits. Profits cannot be distributed to members or to political campaigns. Those are the more common types of corporations. A question of today is, what type of corporation do you think will be valuable for you and your business? I would advise talking to a lawyer or an accountant to help you in making that decision, so you make a very well informed decision. Thank you so very much for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.